Today we will read another story about Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan. What do you think will happen next? Why do you think so? Who can help? Later we will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. But first we're going to play Find the Word. I will choose a high-frequency word and use the word in a sentence. Then you will point to the word that I used in the sentence. Ready? My first sentence is, I will read a book. You should be pointing to the word will. My next sentence is, we went to the store to buy food. Buy. You should be pointing to the word buy. The next sentence is, we are in first grade. Are, correct, pointing to the word are. He said he was staying home today. Said, point to the word said. The little boy can jump high. Little, point to the word little. The kite went up in the sky. Up. Point to the word up. Did you eat the last cookie? You. Point to the word you. There are too many dogs in the house. Two. Point to the word two. Very good. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that you know how to break words into chunks. The square tile on the screen stands for the beginning sound in a word. The rectangular tile stands for the rest of the word. Listen, men. I hear at the beginning, and the rest of the word is N. The word is men. Okay, now you try one. Code. Ode. What's the word? Code. The next one is neck. Ek. What's the word? Neck. The next one is tip. T. Ip. What's the word? Tip. Very good. Next, we're going to practice the habits of good readers. Good readers make their reading sound like they do when they are speaking to someone. You can use your voices to show how characters feel at different points in a story. This kind of reading is called reading with expression. I'm going to read some sentences to show you what I mean. Follow along as I read the first group of sentences. Go, big cab. The big cab sat. Kim is sad. So, what feelings did I show with my voice when I read? That's right, I showed excitement, and I showed that Kim was sad. Reading with expression is a way to show what you understand about a story. Now I'm going to read this group of sentences, and I want you to echo me. Ready? Kim, are too many in the cab? Can it go, Kim? Okay, echo these sentences. Sam is sad. Dan is sad. Nan is sad. Kim is mad. Very good. Let's review some vowels. Remember that alligator begins with the short A sound, ah. The letter A can stand for the sound ah at the beginning or the middle of a word. Look at the first word, an. Say it with me, an. The letter A is a vowel and can stand for many sounds. N is a consonant, and when there is only one vowel and it's followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Now look at the second word, fan. Say it with me, fan. The letter F is a consonant. The letter A is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and N is a consonant. When there is only one vowel that is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Remember that igloo begins with the short I vowel sound, I. The letter can stand for the sound I at the beginning or the middle of the word. Look at the first word, it. Say it with me, it. The letter I is a vowel and can stand for many sounds, and T is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually says its short sound. Now look at the second word, kit. Say it with me, kit. The letter K is a consonant, and the letter I is a vowel, which can stand for many sounds, and T is a consonant. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Let's blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is R, When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for its short sound. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2 and blend the two sounds. Ra. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Ra, read it with me, ram. Now we're going to read some more words, starting with the first line. Fin, can, dip, sat, sit, man, fig, kid, pin, kit, gas, bag. Good. Now we are ready to read about Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan in a story called A Big Pit. Nan, another story we will read today is also about Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan. Nan, Sam, and Dan sit in the cab. Kim is not in the cab. What will Kim do? Will they go to Big Pat? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. Remember that you can also break a word into all of its sounds. Each tile on the screen stands for one of the sounds in the word. I will say a word and you will say all the sounds in the word. Listen as I do one. Low. O. What's the word? Low. Now it's your turn. You say each sound in the word as I move the tiles up to the blank spaces. Then we will say the word together. Ready? High. I. What's the word? High. The next one is say. A. What's the word? Say. The next one is toe. O. What's the word? Toe. Very good. Let's review letters and sounds we have learned this week. Goat begins with the G sound. The G sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the G sound is just the letter G. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the goat. G. Kangaroo begins with the K sound. The K sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the K sound is just the letter K. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the kangaroo. K. Now we're going to read some complete sentences. Let's start with line 5. Read with me. Kim hits a big pit. Now line 6. Kim digs in the cab. Now we are ready to read about Kim, Nan, Sam, and Dan in a story called Big Pat. First, I need you to pause the video and go get your journal and a pencil so we can practice writing some spelling words. I will say a word and a sentence that uses that word. Listen carefully and use your best handwriting to write the word I say. Ready? Number 1, in. We go in that door. In. Number 2, pig. The pig is in the mud. Pig. Number 3, did. We did our work. Did. Number 4, sit. Please sit at your desk. Sit. You may pause the video if I'm going too fast. Number 5 is dig. He will dig a hole. Dig. Number 6, big. An elephant is very big. Big. Number 7 is pin. Mom will pin my dress. Pin. Number 8 is fit. The desk won't fit through the door. Fit. Number 9 is it. It has a shell. It. Number 10 is sip. I will sip my drink. Sip. Number 11 is ship. Ship. Did you see the ship in the ocean? Ship. And number 12 is fish. Many fish swim in the lake. Fish. Did you spell the words correctly? Check them against the words on the screen and go back and correct any words you misspelled. Then you need to take a picture and upload it to your Google Classroom and turn it in to your teacher. Then go to Ed and read our 2 stories for today.